Zizarabo, Zizarabo,
Right now, what do you think this is? Okay, you're on. It's getting you out. You're trespassing. I'm in Zimbabwe, I'm not trespassing ever.
That's where we belong. That's where we belong.
Yes, I know you can. But you are not to use power. I do have no
They are not trespassing.
you can show me, but I am coming out. Don't
Listen to me. If I get hands on you, I'm going to arrest you. How you get?
We belong here.
Why? I belong to Zimbabwe.
Let me please stop.
This is my embassy. I know this. My embassy. I know my rights. This is my embassy. I know my rights. This is my Zimbabwe.
But don't push me.
I'm not trespassing. Yes.
Don't push me. I'm going nowhere.
So the police supporting the Zimbabweans here. The police are clearly on the side of the Zimbabweans now.
It's a criminal cabal. A typical criminal cabal we are supporting. It's a criminal cabal.
How can you push us? They can't even get their hands.
Yeah, that's why we are angry.
You just talk to me.
How can you push us?
We are demonstrating our anger about these people.
This is our embassy.
Sorry, thank you very much.
This is our embassy now.
This is our embassy. You want to come back in front of him?
We never fought anyone. We are just fighting for our country. We want to go back to our country. That's what it is. This is a fighting.
Too many voices. One at a time.
Siding with too many voices, and yet you can hear us so well. That we want our Zimbabwe to get free. We want to go back to Zimbabwe. We don't want to stay in this country. Do we?
As of right now, there is no fuel petrol. There is no food. Pensioners, they can't even access their own money. Even Ghana takes a delegation of 70 people, paying them 50,000 US dollars a day to go and have a nice time. He's not even because they don't want you in there. That is sad. It's importing 2 brand new roads.
I'm sorry, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. We are taking over the embassy. This is just an introduction. This is just an introduction. We are taking over this
So we've been
embassy.
violently ejected from the embassy. I'm not sure which police
Let's
guy is
go.
on the bike.
Rush you in.
So I'm not sure which squad this is with their tasers and their guns. The Zimbabweans have been ejected from Zimbabwean lands by English people. I'm presuming they've been invited in by...
We want our country back.
Invited in by the people that are in the embassy. But we've made our point. Mugabe's madhouse is here in the UK. And we're thrown out. Oh look, we're getting plenty of police now. They're out now. So emergency response to the invasion of the embassy. With all these young policemen turning up. Well, we've made our point. Here's Zim 1. Zim 1. So we're definitely pushed out with violence, I'm afraid. The man put his arm around my neck, trying to put me in a chokehold. So yeah.
We don't move until you, mate.
No one comes. Money from our diamond proceeds. We want that car taken. It's money from our diamond proceeds.
So I guess when you're on Zimbabwean soil, you can be ejected from the embassy with any amount of force they like, because we're not in the UK anymore. So hence the policeman trying to put me in a stranglehold and throw me out the door, and physically throw us out of the door. Very nasty, really. But of course it's symptomatic of the scumbags who reside in this embassy and the government that they represent. Chippo has a new girlfriend.
That's